So now let's talk about how to actually set up your laptop. As you can see here, I've got my laptop sitting right beside the piano. Its webcam is pointed sideways across the keys. And you can see me, you can see the keyboard. That seems good, but there's a couple problems. One of which is when you see the video itself, the background lighting is really bright. In fact, that's my side door, and so the outside light is so bright it's creating a glare, and that's not pleasant to look at. It creates problems for me if I'm trying to figure out what's going on in the video and trying to see you. So one way that you can deal with that is you can actually close the curtain, or you could turn off the light if that's a lamp that's in the background there. Another way though is you can change where you place the camera or where you place your laptop. So right now I have this just sitting beside me here on my right. Maybe a better place to put it would be on the left side. So now it's not going to be facing the window or facing the source of light. In general, you want any cameras that you're using to not face a source of light if you can help it. The other problem is if I was trying to watch your hands and you're here on the piano playing, I can't actually see what fingers you're using or what keys you're pressing. And although I can see in general that you're playing the piano, I can't see the details. So that's one of those things that overhead camera takes care of. But again, we're trying to see how can we do this with just one single camera, one single device. So I'm going to show you in the next video how to solve both these problems at once.